We're really happy with the end results, how modern and clean and fresh. It finished on time and in budget. We would definitely recommend Renovista. David and his team were an absolute pleasure to work with.
I found David very easy to work with, and the team of workers that he had also were very nice and did a great job.
I can't tell you how fantastic he is to work with. It just made that process a lot easier.
So I was looking to get my website page done and my socials, and I come across Deanna. We had a phone call conversation. I knew straight away I could work with Deanna. Her communication was really clear, very good communicator, understood what I was after. Looking at my webpage now and working with Deanna on some videos on the worksite, it's been such a really cool experience.